Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see software developer role for 2022 batch. Work from home online exam they are providing. Otherwise you can come and directly write the exam. Work location will be Chennai from now. After you are selected, you may change it to your own places itself. All over India you can write this exam. And the eligible criteria BE, BTech, MBA, MCA, BSc, all same we can write. Now we are going to see that one only. Name, mobile number, email ID, college name, department BA, BCA, BCom, aeronautical, civil, IT, MBA, MCA, PhD, anything department can apply. Year of passing from 2015 to 2022 batch. Total experience 0 to 15 years. Current employee, current city 15 LPA. Notice period immediate joiners are 3 months their validity. Return test will be 9th or 16th. Browse your resume and submit here. And this is all the eligible criteria. So you can apply now itself. If you have any doubt while filling this form, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.